What's up guys, this is Parv here. Welcome back to another video. And I am very much sorry for not uploading for this long. I think it's been 5 months since I've uploaded my last video. That's been insane. Sorry guys, you should be angry at me and that is totally understandable. But in today's video we are going to learn Python once again. As you know, in my previous 2 videos I taught you about how to make a quiz and a simple calculator using Python. But I used variables. Now many of you who are beginners for Python don't know what variables are. So I'm going to explain you what variables and what are the functions of variables. So you can after this video watch those 2 videos too to learn some basic knowledge about Python. But don't click on that video just now. Let's watch about variables, and our first question is, what are variables? So variables are a container that can store values. It can only store one value at a time, and you can rewrite its value. Let me show it. I want to name my variable a. I will write a, but now I want to give it a value of 45. How will I give it? I will write a equal to, and my value is 45. Now I want to display my 45 this. I want to print my variable. So I will write print a. What you will think? It will print a? No, it will print 45. But now I think I don't like my value as a 45. I want to change it at 50. What? It printed 45, not 50. I will tell you the reason. Because our Python prints every function line by line. So it consider a is equal to 45. Then it print 45. Then he saw, oh, this is after print. So then he saw, oh, it is. Now he changed it into 50, but he has already printed 45. So to avoid it, I can just cut it and paste it here. Now it won't print 45, it will print 50, as it goes like a is 45. Oh, he changed it to 50, then we have to print it. So it will print 50 because it is the last value I gave it to it. So like this we can also create a simple working calculator. One more thing for the variable name. You can't write a variable name like this. This will be not as a variable name, as a variable name cannot be started with a number or a special character like this. It can only use letters, underscore and numbers, and no other special characters are allowed. As you can see, it is not in, and it can be funny, like if I spam p for about and put the equal to, it is considered to be a variable. It can be of any length you want. You can even go to infinity. That is good. But so now we talked about numbers, but like I want a word in it. So I will write PRT, my variable name. Don't judge me about the variable name. And then I will write my variable Parv. What? Sorry. My name is Parv. I will write Parv. That's why. And just delete this. But why it is giving an error? Okay, I will keep it aside and print my variable. What? Parv is not defined, but why? I wrote here Parv because numbers are there are there are more than three, but there are mainly three types of values we can store in a variable. There are many types, but we will only consider three as the main. First is integer int, next is string or str, and the next is float. Now the integer or int is consisting of numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put any negative to positive number here. In a string you can put any word here, any word, but in float you can only put decimal value with their 14 points like 45.8. This is a float number, and we can also, there's a function called print, write type, and we will write 4.6. so it will show float. As you can see, float value. If we remove this, if we remove the dot decimal, it will show int. And if we write any word like p, it will and there's one more thing. With every string you need to put this commas. So we will write Parv, my name, and it will now show string, class string. So when we are writing a word, a string value, we need always to put double quotes. Now it is not giving an error, and when we will print it, it will show us the value and not give an error, as you can see. So this was all about variable. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed it. I know I have not uploaded for a long time and I am really sorry for it, but this is for today's video. Meet you in the next video, and it is coming soon, I can guarantee you that.